Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia if today is your first time watching me, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I want to share with you how to make egg noodle stir fry, and here are my ingredients I'll be using. I have here chicken breast fillets, I also have here egg noodles, bicarbonate of soda, cornstarch, fish sauce, dark soy sauce and oyster sauce, soy sauce, chili oil, Chinese cooking wine, it's optional. I also have here curry powder, ginger powder, ground pepper, and garlic powder. Also, I have here minced garlic and ginger, shredded cabbage, chopped onions, some carrots, three eggs, spring onions, and snow peas. So let's get into it. So I have here in my bowl chicken breast fillets, and I'll be marinating it with the bicarbonate of soda and cornstarch. Give it a stir and add in soy sauce. Mix well and cover it with cling wrap and set it aside. So I'll go ahead and mix the seasonings for the noodles, the dark soy sauce and the oyster sauce, fish sauce, sesame oil, chili oil, and the garlic powder, curry powder, ginger powder. All together, mix well and set it aside. So in a saucepan, I'll be boiling the egg noodles. Boil hot water and then add in the noodles and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll be using the spatula to loosen it and then drain. So in the strainer, drain and then run cold water over it and then set it aside. So over here, fry the eggs and then set it aside. So in the wok, I'll be adding some oil and then fry the chicken and also set it aside. So continue stirring to prevent it from burning. So I'll be leaving the ingredients in the description box below. So over here in the wok, fry the garlic and ginger for about 3 minutes. And add in the onions. So after a few minutes, continue by adding in the chicken, the carrots, eggs, cabbage, and the noodles, and the snow peas, and also the seasoning, and then give it a good stir. And also add in the spring onions, and we are done. Take it off the fire, and it's looking amazing, appetizing, and it's smelling very nice, and it's full of flavor. So please kindly try it. Now I'm going to dish it out. And please, if you enjoyed this recipe, please give me a big thumbs up, and also kindly subscribe, share, and like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.